right, today I want to talk to you about smoothies and getting enough protein as a woman in her 50s. Protein is incredibly important, but it's one of the things I have the hardest time fitting into my diet. I'm also not a huge meal prep fan. I have a hard time sitting down and eating large portions of proteins and meats. This is one of my favorite ways to do meal prep. Squeeze in some extra protein and add a little extra intention and magic into what I do. The intention and the energy we put into everything is incredibly important. As we enter this new year and set health goals, I'm setting the intention for vibrant health and wellness, and I'm adding superfoods into these smoothies. And what I have here are prep bowls with a Ziploc bag in each one. There's 5 of them, one for every day of the week. I'm just gonna show you my favorite smoothie recipe that I prep in these Ziploc bags at the beginning of the week, and I can just grab one, throw it in the blender with my liquid of choice. If I wanna throw some fruit in or honey or extra flavorings, I can, but this is the core of it. It's full of nutrients, full of things to add vibrant health, protein, all sorts of vitamins and minerals. So let's get started. I'm using an Isagenix Vanilla Chai protein powder. This is my favorite brand. I like a plant-based protein. My system handles it better. So this Vanilla Chai is one of my favorite flavors. I lovingly call these smoothies the Tummy Tamer because it's really helped my digestion. It keeps me full for half of the day. They're delicious and again, filled with so many healthy nuggets. And chia seeds and flax seeds and hemp hearts and oatmeal, all of those have these amazing properties, whether it's the fiber, the protein, the antioxidants, the omega-3s you get in chia seeds, but a lot of magical properties as well. And I'm gonna list all of those below for you. So be thinking about the intention that you wanna put in your food as you're prepping or into these smoothies, and really set your intentions for the year. Today is December 31st. We've got the black moon outside. It's an amazing moon for manifesting. Decided to combine the two today as I am continuing my health journey in trying to take really good care of my body in 2025 as I'm dealing with menopause. This makes it so easy so that you don't have to think about it every morning. And it's literally 1 scoop of protein powder in each one of these bags. I said I'm gonna do probably 3 vanilla, 2 chocolate, and you can set this up assembly line style, go super fast, and then you're done. No cooking required. Oh, I did 4 vanilla. We'll do 1 chocolate. I love the chai because it has all of those spices in it, which are really great for adding some warmth and protection. All right, now we're gonna add our chia seeds. We're just gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon. Chia seeds can have a tendency to make things gummy. When you get ready to put these together in the blender, you're gonna grind all of this up. It's gonna grind everything really small so you don't get those big gloppy, I do love a chia seed pudding, but you're not gonna get that thick gloppy texture. Now, you will, if you add too many chia seeds, you may, if you let it sit too long after blending it. Don't blend these ahead of time. You wanna blend these at the time of consumption. All right, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of oats. Get our complex carbs going in here. And we're gonna do 2 tablespoons each. I love the ease of this because I'm not a meal prep fan. I get tired of the foods very quickly after I fix them. I can teach you how to meal prep. I can give you great recipes. It's just not a practice I follow outside of this. All right, we've got our chia seeds added, our oats, and now we're gonna do our flax seed. A 1/2 tablespoon. And generally, I find that these smoothies are sweet enough on their own that you don't need to add anything, but you could add a little bit of honey or agave if you feel inclined. I'm gonna add a little bit of hemp hearts. I've got 5 days of breakfast prepped right here. And you can go up to a 1/4 cup of oatmeal if you want. This is a great base to start with and then go from there. Now I can just grab 8 ounces of almond milk, toss it in the blender. You can choose whether to add ice depending on the texture you want. Blend it up and enjoy. So for more ideas how to add magic and ease to your mealtime, make sure you like and subscribe below, and you can join my email list and grab your Nourish and Connect private podcast in the link below as well. Get on that email list and get your tips for turning mealtime into moments of magic.